Hello, today I want to explain to you a very crucial thing in SolidWorks and how to deal with drawing on part on SolidWorks that can be coincide with another part. So, for example, I have this shaft and I need to draw something relating to this, for example, to this part on my robot arm. This is my project. I'm working on it. So it is a little bit hard for me to transform the dimensions from this part to this part manually. So I need to draw it very fast and without time consumption. I will come to here. I will click, right click on my mouse and go to this one. It is edit part. When you go to edit part, you will see the other part will be automatically not effective, but I can see this part. It is solid. So I will go to here. I can see I need to draw like this slot inside this shaft. So I will take my sketch here. Okay, go to this side. It will take me directly to this side, and you see you can see directly from this point. It is take you automatically, and you can draw. Go to here and go to another side. You know the point. It is automatically defined. To this side also, and to another side. You draw the rectangle fully defined. It is fully defined, and if you can see this relation, it is perpendicular, coincident. It is coincident with the other part, and you can directly go and do extrude cut, and you can cut it directly. As you can see, I can disappear this one. As you can see, this rectangle, it is coincide with another rectangle inside the shaft. So you don't need to define and go do the inclination of the part, and you can spend more than 10 minutes in order to do the same shape and do the same rectangle. So it is very easy, and I suffered from this problem every time, but it is easy to do like that, and it will be helpful for all those who are dealing with SolidWorks, and it will help them in lots of problems. Thank you so much, and I hope that it will be helpful for those who are dealing with SolidWorks. Have a nice day.